Good day everyone, my name is Desiree Kate Danoco and I'll be your student teacher for today's class. Let me begin by introducing our topic for today, which is the introduction of analytical chemistry. What is analytical chemistry? Analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the analysis of different substances. In other words, class, it is the art and science of determining what matter is and how much of it exists. Analytical chemistry is the science of obtaining, processing, and communicating information about the composition and structure of matter. Also, analytical chemistry involves the separation, identification, and the quantification of matter. Broadly speaking, class, analytical chemistry is a field that extensively studies, applies instruments, and employs various methods that are used to separate, identify, and quantify matter. Analytical chemistry involves the following methods. First is the process of separation isolates the required chemical species which is to be analyzed from a mixture. It means, class, that separation and quantification in practice constitute the whole analysis to be effectively combined with another method. In a simpler words, class, separation is used to isolate analytes. Understood? Next is the identification of the analyte substance is achieved by the method of qualitative analysis. It means, class, that qualitative analysis is worked on to identify analytes. Next is the concentration of the analyte in a given mixture can be determined with the method of quantitative analysis. It means, class, that quantitative analysis is employed to determine the numerical amount or what is called concentration. So, it also aims to improving already existing experimental designs and simultaneously the creation of new measurement tools. Understood? And now, let's proceed to the branches of analytical chemistry. Two sub-branches come under analytical chemistry, namely quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis, which can be explained as follows. Quantitative analysis is a method of determining the absolute or relative quantity regarding the concentration of one or more substances present in a sample or compound. For example, class, take a sample of a known solid material. The chemists employ qualitative methods to ascertain what sort of compound is present in the sample, and then apply a quantitative analysis procedure to determine the precise amount or quantity of the compound contained in the sample. So this means, class, that quantitative analysis is the determination of the absolute or relative abundance of one's, several, or all of the substance contained in a sample. Understood? Next is qualitative analysis. Quality means the standard or the feature of one substance. Hence, qualitative analysis method deals with the determination of the quality of a particular compound irrespective of its quantity or concentration. To put it in another way, class, qualitative analysis determines the quality of a substance rather than the quantity of the substance. One of the best examples of this type of method is the observation of a chemical reaction, whether there will be a change in color or not. Take note, class, that qualitative analysis method can be measured in different ways, such as chemical test or flame test. Understood? And now, let's go to the importance of analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is a branch which is taught in almost all schools and colleges. It is also of great importance in different research chemistry because it plays an enormous role in our society, such as manufacturing, process control, environmental monitoring, medical food production, and forensics surveys. Remember, class, that analytical chemistry has an important role in everyday life. That's all for today. I hope you've learned something. And class, this is only a part 1 of the introduction of analytical chemistry. The part 2 will be discussed by Ms. Cosinero. She is also one of your student teacher in analytical chemistry. Thank you and God bless.